My girlfriend's in labour. I think she's having a kid now. Literally.
And how many minutes are apart between these contractions?
Oh, mate, it's continuous, mate. Literally, it's flat out.
I understand this is stressful.
But I'm with you. Me and you. Trust me.
If the baby comes quickly, we want it to be as safe as possible. So if you can ask her just to lie on her back there on the bed.
Mate, it's getting worse, mate. It's coming, I'm telling you.
Just so I know what you've got there. You've got some dry towels and blankets there for the baby when it comes.
Yeah, mate. Oh, mate, it's happening. It's happening. What do I do, mate? What do I do? I think I can see the baby's hair.
You can see the baby's hair?
Maybe. Mate, I just don't know what to do.
I know it's a stressful situation. You're doing really well, okay?
There might be another one coming. Good. Good. Brilliant. Yeah, I can see the baby. Oh, the baby! The baby's out! What do I do?
The baby's out, okay.
The head is out! The head is out!
Head's out. Support the baby's head and shoulders and hold on to its hips and legs firmly as it comes out. Remember, the baby's going to be slippery, so don't drop it, okay?
I've got it, mate. I've got my baby.
Is the baby crying or breathing?
Yeah, the baby's breathing.
She is breathing, is she?
She's crying. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Lovely.
And you've both been amazing.
Oh, Chris, really appreciate that, right?
Oh, that's absolutely fine. You guys have done amazing. Well done, Troy.
Thank you, mate. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
God bless, mate. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.